In this video, we're going to be talking about how to form our embouchure in order to play the trumpet, and how to create sound on the mouthpiece as well. So just a couple things to get started. When we're thinking of embouchure, we want to make sure that we have firm corners, a flat chin, and that the center of our lips are relaxed. So those are the main three traits that I think of when forming an embouchure. Some things will have to be tweaked or changed depending on the person, especially like for me, for example, I have bigger lips, so there'll be some things I might have to like curl in my bottom lip a little bit more just to get that vibration in the center of the lips. But let's just start with holding the mouthpiece, taking these 3 fingers, holding them on the end so that there's no tension and we're not grabbing or squeezing while we're trying to do this. And so now with the embouchure, I'm going to say the letter M, M. I'm firming my corners, M. And then we can try buzzing with this as well. M. Just to kind of get your lips familiar with that buzzing sound. And now I'm going to take my mouthpiece. I'm going to place it in the center. So let's just do the whole steps again. M. And with making sound in the mouthpiece, one thing that I've learned is that it takes a lot of air. It takes a ton of air to just get sound, and you have to take in a really healthy amount of air, so then when you exhale, you have all that air to give. So that was pretty good that time, and we'll just try that again just to get familiar with that feeling, because getting that vibration in the center of the lips can be tricky. So again, with the 3 fingers here in the mouthpiece. That time it was harder. So it's definitely harder for me, and I'm paying attention to where my lips are, if my corners are like firming up enough. So now I'm going to try just rolling in my bottom lip just slightly. So I'll look like this. So that definitely kind of helped, but that's the embouchure and just making sound in the mouthpiece. So just a couple things to take away from this. Make sure you're using lots and lots of air and just engaging your diaphragm and feeling your stomach expand and not really tensing this way when breathing, because then not all of the air that you need is going to be taken in. In our next video, we're going to be talking about breathing exercises that'll really help with creating sound on the trumpet.